Welcome to Share Talk, the only podcast where investors come first.
Hello and welcome to Share Talk. Today I'm joined by Craig Moulton, who's Managing Director at Cobra Resources. How are you today, Craig?
I'm well, Zach. How are you?
Doing fine. Good update from you today. Could you give us a bit of insight into it, please?
Yeah, sure. Thanks for that. So we've basically just announced the expansion and signing of an equity agreement with Hagtstrom Drilling. So Hagstrom are a large drilling contractor based in Western Australia and New South Wales. They have over 22 rigs. And we had signed an agreement with them in October last year. So this is really a new agreement or an expansion of that agreement, if you like, taking it from about 4,600 metres to 10,000 metres, which is a great vote of confidence in the company and the project and support from Hagstrom. And, you know, it's great to have them on board as part of this journey.
So they're basically showing that they believe in your project and the way you do things.
Well, absolutely. You know, I mean, Hagstrom is being a drilling contractor. They're actively involved in the industry. They understand these sort of projects, and they understand the quality of the project that we have at Woodner. So, you know, effectively they're investing in the project too by their participation. So a third of the fees of their drilling contract will be issued as equity.
Right. I mean, over the last few weeks, obviously, gold stocks and gold prices have gone through the roof. In terms of your asset here, which is obviously well geared to that current boom, what are we looking at? Small, medium, large asset? What's the outlook on that?
Okay, so we have quite a large project. We already have a JORC resource, which for people that aren't familiar with that's the industry standard reporting as required by stock exchanges for reporting resources, certainly here in Australia, but it's certainly well regarded across the world. And that resource is 200,000 ounces. But the potential for copper really at the Woodner project is that, you know, we have a significant sized tenement. It's 80 kilometres wide, 55 kilometres north to south, and we have 22 anomalies and prospects defined across those tenements. But even if you look at the existing resources alone at the moment at Beggy Green and Barnes, which are our main centres right now, we already have the potential to, you know, triple or even up to 5 times the size of the existing resource just in that area alone. So yes, I mean it's really nice that having a gold boom, but you know this project has huge potential and, you know, a significant amount of upside, and great to be finally out there and drilling it and demonstrating that potential.
Right. So the drilling starts. What are the next timelines that we're expecting over the rest of the year? Let's say.
Okay, so just to be clear, the drilling starts mid-September. So we're just a few weeks out from that now. And then we basically we'll be detailing this in an RNS later in the week, but we have 3 programs that we're focused on, 2 drilling programs, this one in September, another one which will be in sort of November, December time, the 2 major drilling programs. In between that, we'll be doing some geochem sampling, which is an auger-based rig, if you like, so soil sampling at Larwood, one of our other prospects, which is a prospect that we're quite excited about for a new gold discovery as well.
Okay, well that sounds very healthy. Craig Moulton, Managing Director at Cobra Resources, thank you very much indeed.
Thanks, Zach, always a pleasure.
Thank you for listening. Remember to visit our website for more news and other podcasts at www.share-talk.com.